Hello guys, so today we are gonna unbox a gift which was ordered for dad. So it arrived today. Here's the gift. So we are gonna unbox it. It is gonna be a little difficult for me to unbox with one hand. Okay, it was like that. I think it was like that. Okay, let's take that covered aside. Wait. Unboxing. So here's the mini cooler unboxing level 1. Take it aside. Now we got the cooler. Build quality is quite nice, as what you can expect under 500. You can move. These are rotatable, or you can say movable to this extent. Then I think there's a stopper, so it will not move above that particular position. We got a button here for left and right, I think for off and on, and we can open this one. We are able to open this one. It's a container where we can pour water and place some ice in it. Quite huge, bigger than the stadium which is in Gujarat, Motera Stadium, named on Mr. Narendra Modi. Bigger than that. Okay, closed again. Putting this again here. Or you can see the inside work. Few wires, some bolts, and the motor. That's it. What we get. We get a nice quality cable. Type, I think, whatever type it is, I don't know. I'll show you after starting it and feeling the wind. So guys, this is the all stuff. That's the key of the room from where I brought this. So let's fix it. Everything fixed. We got this, all the setup. Now we have to put this inside. Focus in it. Focus. Why it's not focusing on it? Focus. It's not focusing on it. Don't know why. Okay, let's put this inside. Go. We are ready with all the setup. It's not focusing. I think I used the AI. That's why it's not focusing. Okay, got it. I used the AI for you can say Beauty Plus. I used Beauty Plus. That's why it's not focusing. Okay. Everything ready. Be ready for the attack. Okay, it's started focusing it. Okay, ready. Oh, my nails. 1, 2. Let's off it first. So power supplied, but because of the stopper or the resistance in that particular body, the power is not going to the motor. But now started. Okay, you guys may hear the sound, but you guys are not feeling the air, but I will tell you the range of that particular air. Okay, so very fast and cool at that position. Quite well for the face. Adjusting the fan. Okay, here too we are getting air. Okay, here too. Okay, that's the distance you will get, and I think it's quite good for my dad, because he will be using this device in car. So I think it's quite well for that particular distance. So that's what I ordered, and yeah, literally it's giving enough amount of air, but as we all know, we can't compare it to that one. So what's the name? Whatever. Go and like it. Focus. Oh, it literally focused.